Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps me out a ton, but I will be putting content to help you guys too. So today's gonna be another bulk unboxing. I still have 2 more of these boxes to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you what I found. I do not remember what's inside of these, so I will be putting somewhere in this video what I paid per item and how much total I spent. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, let's go ahead and see what's inside of this box. All right, to start, this is a mohair throw. I actually just sold one of these in a bundle on Poshmark, so it is new. It's still wrapped in the original packaging. That's exciting. All right, so this one is tore apart, but it is an unexpected returns palette, so I can expect for this stuff to be you know, not in new shape. But this is just the Threshold twin sheet set. Looks like we got a Batman super plush throw. So this is Fieldcrest Suprema Cotton hem stitch sheet set. Let me see what size. It is queen. But it does definitely appear to be missing some pieces, so I will have to see what is actually inside this. This is a vanity organizing just case, I guess. You can just set it on your vanity there. Looks like some shower hooks made by design. What is this guy? Body pillow cover. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's kind of like a fox fur body pillow cover. Wonder what size it is. Just says standard, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be like a king size pillow, but I guess body pillow would mean it's pretty large. All right, this is just a sham. It looks like cute, like baby type print or little girl print. Ultra soft flat sheet by Threshold. This is a waterproof mattress protector, but it definitely looks like they got it out. Maybe it just didn't fit and they just shoved it back in the bag there. So I'm gonna have to open it up myself and make sure that it is okay. This is a twin sheet set. It's a dark gray. This is a Threshold throw. And it looks like these are just pillow sham, yes, or pillowcases. That's standard pillowcases, king pillowcases. Okay, so Command damage free. So basically this is like one of those squeegees that you wipe your mirror with when you're done in the shower. This is a queen flat sheet. A plunger. It definitely appears to be new, but I don't really sell the plungers online. I'm gonna just put it in my garage sale, honestly. But it's a really cool one. I mean, it looks like it's more pretty than the normal one. A shower curtain, not in original packaging, so that'll be a garage sale item. Another body pillow cover. This is a Pokemon, it looks like hooded towel wrap. Sheer curtain, and it does appear that it's just one and the package has been opened, so it looks like they did use it or tried it out and it just didn't work. This is another bath towel, but I'm not sure the character because they do have it taped up pretty good, so I'll have to take off the tape and see who that is. This is a plunger and toilet bowl wand set. It does appear to be new, thankfully, because I am touching it. A garage sale item. Another soap dispenser. It matches the one in my prior unboxing video. And these look like some organic pillowcases. It's just standard size. These are queen flat sheet. So just a flat sheet is in this. What is this guy? This is, I'm assuming it's pillow shams. Yeah, oh, it's supposed to be a whole set, but it looks like these are just the pillow shams in the set, and it's tiger, or not tigers, but like cheetahs or something. Okay, another one of these shower heads. Well, I say another one. I had one in the prior unboxing too. It's a Moen shower head. Package has been opened. This is ultra soft fitted sheet by Threshold King. This is just a bath mat. Still in the package there. Another shower curtain. This one does appear to be still in the packaging. It's still folded like manufacturing, so that's good. I still won't sell it. Unless I can find a shower curtain to sell it with, I'll sell it just in my garage sale. This is ultra soft flat sheet, so just a flat sheet for a twin. And then a pillow sham, 100% cotton pillow sham. It's like a gray and cream color. So that was everything in this unboxing. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I have one more box to get through, and then I'm gonna go jump in my pool because it is stinking hot and it's supposed to rain, so it's very high humidity right now. I forget to mention in my other videos, I also am on Instagram and Facebook at Thrifty on a Dime, so you can find me over there if you're looking for some daily tips and motivation and stuff like that for the reselling, or you know, just positivity. Go follow me over there, and I appreciate all of you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my last box so I can reward myself with a dip in the pool. Thanks guys.